Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to add AC dimmer module to the Proteus. So AC dimmer module is used to control the speed of the fan. You can download this library from the link provided in the description. Now let's see how you can add the library to the Proteus. So open this folder. Here you can see two different folders. One is library folder and the other is a models. So first open the library folder, copy this file and go to the desktop. So here you can see the Proteus icon, right click on it and go to find open file location. So go back one step and here you can see the Proteus 7 main folder. So here locate the library folder, here you can see open it and paste the file over here. So here you can see the dimmer module file are pasted here. Now close it and go back to the library of AC dimmer. So here you can see library folder, open it again. And now this time open the models folder, open it and copy this file from here to, and now go to desktop. Now here you can see the Proteus icon, right click on it and go to open file location. Go one step back and click on this. Now locate this time the model folder, here you can see the models, open it and paste the model file over here. So here you can see the AC dimmer model file are pasted here. Now close it and open the Proteus software. Now if you have already opened it, close it and reopen it again, so it will upload the test library as well. Right click on it and then click on open. So here search for the AC dimmer. So here you can see the dimmer module, double click on it. Now click on OK. Minimize this, place it here. Let me zoom it. So here you can see the different pins. Here VCC, ground, ZC and PWM. And here you can see the load terminals, which is one is line or phase, the other one is neutral. Here you can see the neutral and line. So here you will give the AC power supply and then here you will connect the load. And from here you will control the speed of a fan. So you can connect this with the Arduino or different kind of electronic circuits, and then this will control the fan. So this was the method of how to add AC dimmer module to the Proteus. You can download the library from the link provided in the description. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.